all right. Yes, get it in here, get it in here. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and let's try to take a look on something that is very, very interesting and something that is very, very simple. So, if you're there, please just give me your attention and your ears so that we get to learn something like this. We're going to be seeing on how to do the French cornrows, and I call it that style just because we do it in a cut format, a French cut format. So but the cornrows remain the same, the way we always do our cornrows. Yes, we always start with you start with a small braid or even kinky. Yes, so that it helps you to give you a good beginning. Or if you want, you can just plait her own hair. Yes, you just plait her own hair and it looks lovely. So I would like you guys to make it a point and you click on that red button, ring the bell. Yes, because we do all hair types, and this is the channel that you can find all hairstyles that you need to learn, and those ones that you even didn't know, because we believe in creativity. So we're going to be doing this, but to those ones who know how to do the cornrows, I think this is going to be very, very simple for you. It's just a matter of knowing what you're going to do, because here I cannot teach too much, because I cannot teach too much saying that maybe you do this and this, but it's according to someone's head shape. So for me, I'm just going to give you some tips to help to guide you whenever you want to choose to do this kind of hairstyle. Yes, sometimes people ask me, like, maybe this kind of hairstyle is only for people with natural hair, but no, even if you have straight hair, you can still have this look. So you should feel comfortable, no matter how old your hair type is, you can still have it. And my first point here, I would say that whenever you're doing these things, these French cornrows, you just have to be creative in that your cornrows they're supposed to have some art in it, and all that it depends on someone's head shape. Yes, now those I want you to listen very careful here, because it is very, very important. There are those head shapes that you cannot plait this hairstyle. I can repeat that there are those head shapes that are not fine for this hair type, and these ones are those ones who don't have the behind corner, like their heads are straight behind. So if you're trying to do this kind of hairstyle, it will look somehow not good for you. So you need to have that head shape where you find a corner behind, not those ones with a straight head in behind. So that one is also a tip for it. And then another thing, we are going to those people who be asking me the hair type that I use, though sometimes I put them in the description, maybe some others don't read them, but I use soft kinky when I'm doing my spring twist on top. Yes, as we are going to be saying it, I use soft kinky, and mostly and even the old that we always put, the anti-itchy, all those, but that one you can also do it. But I always use soft kinky when I'm doing this kind of a hairstyle, because I believe that a soft kinky looks like natural hair, when it is twisted. So when you do it also with this kind of cornrows, you'll find it looking natural. You understand? And that's why always people ask me that question, that is this for is it for straight hair or natural hair? But now I've answered you, right? It is for all hair types. So don't get scared. Even if you have straight hair, you can still have this type of a style. So this is how it goes. And another thing I cannot forget is that whenever you're plating, just try to put some art in it, not like just making it straight, because it won't look good, it won't give you the good result. So when we're done with that, our next step is, after putting the anti-itchy, we just have to twist it. And twisting, you can see how I'm twisting it, very, very lovely and very simple, just like that. Yes, to those ones who've been watching me, watching my previous videos, I've been showing you how to do the spring twist. Yes, this is the same thing. This is how we always do it as we are plating. So you can see how we're trying to make it look natural. And another thing I would say, whenever you're putting these ones up, make sure you try to observe very well, because sometimes you might put a lot of it and you find the head is losing the shape. So you just have to be careful when you're doing this kind of a hairstyle. You don't have to pack it a lot. That's why you just have to keep on checking to see maybe if it's a lot or little, because it's not supposed to be a lot. Yeah, so this is how it goes. And guys, I'd like to thank you for being with me ever since I started. Yes, thank you so much. And if you're still new here, yes, you're welcome. And my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, on my personal Instagram. And still, you can follow Hair Zipper. Yes, you can follow Hair Zipper for the pictures, the detailed pictures for other hairstyles. Yes, and we do this every Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll be uploading tutorials. Yes, so this is how it looks. And guys, trust me, this hair is very, very soft and light. And what I would say about it, I know they're going to ask me. You can still go in my comment section and write something that you would need to know, and I'll be there to answer you. Please don't, make sure that you like, you share, and you subscribe. Yes, thank you so much for loving me. And this is how we do it. So when you're done with that, then there you're ready to cut them. Then after cutting them, you're good to go. Yes, indeed. And for us, what we always do to make it look very nice and neat, we try to put some those accessories that can make them look nice. So you can see this one, yeah, it's not supposed to be very, very high. Yeah, it will look bad. So we're trying to remove some, and then after we do it perfectly. So yes, you can see how it is after putting the accessories and cutting the some off, and then you see you're good to go. So I just want you to keep on loving Hair Zipper, keep on loving Maurice, the Crochet Master. For right now, I sign out. See you guys in my next video.